Haven't learned your lesson yet, huh? Try all you want, it'll still be the same. You can't defeat me. Yeah. Trying to defeat you with force isn't gonna work, I get that now. Because the two of us have all the exact same moves. And you can't chase me out either. I know you, better than anyone else could ever know you. Then, you must already know. I already know what? What I decided earlier. What are you talking about now? Don't act like you don't know. Alright, fine. This place is supposed to reveal the truth in your heart, right? Just let me concentrate then. And I'm gonna show it to you right now. Number 1 candidate for Hokage, Naruto! What you see here is my autograph. You bastard!
Oh, that's right. Can I get your autograph? And if you don't mind, could you make it out to my kid, please? He's a real big fan.
Autograph?
You're the hero of the Hidden Leaf. Naruto, the kid who makes miracles. Can I please have your autograph too?
No, it's not that. I'm just not used to the celebrity thing. I've never given an autograph before. I didn't have an autograph to give them at Ichiraku, but I have one now. So what that you've come up with some autograph? What a joke! Everyone in the village is just falling over themselves to deceive you. They've been lying to us since we were kids, inventing stupid rules and making us outcasts. Don't you remember that? It was always so hard, and so painful too. I'm the only one who will ever understand you. You can't trust any of those villagers. Maybe. The villagers are important, but there's someone else that I have to trust more first. What I need to do right now is believe in myself. I need to trust the me that all of those villagers believe in. Why? After all they put us through. I realized it while watching Octopox. He doesn't let himself get pulled down by doubt. And he has pride in himself. Do you think that I'm just something in your way? What exactly was I to you, huh? I became strong because you existed. It's thanks to you that I got where I am today. And what now, huh? What am I supposed to do from now on? That's easy to answer. You just need to become me. You are me after all. Thank you for everything you've done. But it's all right now.